Hey there, awesome coders! Welcome back to Code with Sachi. I'm your code buddy, and if you've been following along, you've successfully installed Python and set up VS Code. Huge! Congrats on that! Today, we're finally going to start writing some actual Python code. We'll learn about 3 super important concepts: variables, data types, and how to use the print function to see our results. This is where your coding journey truly begins. Ready? Let's dive into VS Code. First up, let's master the print function. Think of print as your computer's voice. Whatever you put inside, its parentheses and quotation marks, the computer will speak it out for you in the terminal. Let's start with our classic hello world, but with a twist. Type print. See, down in the terminal, our computer just said exactly what we told it to. Awesome. Right, you can print numbers too. Try print. No quotes around numbers, because they're, well, numbers. The print function is super handy for seeing what your code is doing. Next, let's talk about variables. Imagine variables as labeled boxers where you can store information. In programming, we constantly need to store and manage different pieces of data, like names, ages, prices, or messages. To create a variable, you just give it a name, and then use an equals sign, equals to put something inside it. Let's make a variable called name and put Sachi in it. Name equals Sachi. See how we use quotes for text? Now, another one for age. Age equals 25. No quotes here, because 25 is a number. Now we can ask the computer what's inside these boxers, using print, type print, and print. When you run this, Python remembers what's inside. You can also change what's inside a variable. Let's change age to 26. Now, if we print age again, it shows the new value, 26. Variables are super flexible. So, we've put different kinds of information into our variables, text and numbers. In programming, these kinds of information are called data types. The 3 basic data types you'll use constantly are strings. This is any text. You always put strings inside single or double quotation marks, like text equals hello. Integers. These are whole numbers, like 10, 500, or -5. No decimal points. For example, score equals 100. Floats. These are numbers with a decimal point, like 3.14 or 99.5. Think of them as floating point numbers, like PA, igual a 3, 14.159. Python automatically figures out the data type based on how you write it, but understanding them is key for writing good code. You can even ask Python what type of data a variable holds using the type function, print and print, see, string and integer. Let's put all this together with we'll create a simple welcome message for a user. Here, we have a user_name variable, a welcome underscore message. Then, we combine them using the plus sign. That's called string concatenation. And finally, we print the whole full underscore greeting. See how we used variables to store information, strings to combine text, and print to show the result? This is the foundation of almost everything you'll do in programming. Awesome job today. You've just learned about print statements, variables, and essential data types. This is huge. You're officially writing Python code. If this video helped you take your first steps in Python, please hit that like button. Comment below with your first Python code or any questions. And make sure you're subscribed to Code with Sachi so you don't miss out on our next video, where we'll explore even more fundamental Python concepts. Keep coding, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.